So today we're going back to Marikina because a subscriber mentioned to check this place out. So if you're ready, let's go! So we're here at Cafe Lidia, and judging by the menu items, it looks like they have an Italian-American cuisine. So the subscriber mentioned to order buffalo wings, which I did order, and to order pasta. So I went with the pasta alla Lidia. So starting off with the pasta alla Lidia, the attendant mentioned that it is tuna inside. So as I check the pasta, I do see olives, tomatoes, parsley on top of the pasta. The pasta does not look like it has any sauce except for the tomatoes, the parmesan cheese, and the olive oil, which I can smell also. I can also see pieces of tuna and capers inside. Now, since I do not see any sauce except for the tomatoes and the smell of olive oils, I will not be surprised if this is a little bit sour. So let's start. Let's get a little of the pasta. Surprisingly, it's not that sour. I can taste the tuna, parmesan cheese, and I can taste hints of salt. So let's take one more bite with the olives and the tuna. You can taste a mixture of the Italian and Filipino cuisines. So if you're into the Italian with a twist of Filipino cuisine, then this is the right order for you. Now the pasta does come with garlic bread. So let's taste the garlic bread. The butter on the garlic bread does taste a little bit like star margarine. So it has that bit of sweetness with the salt, and it has the hints of garlic. So if you like your garlic bread with a little sweetness to it, then this is the garlic bread for you, because it has all the elements of garlic bread plus a little bit of sweetness, because the butter does taste like star margarine. So now let's move on to the main event, the buffalo wings. So for the buffalo wings, as you can see, it is well glazed. They really covered the chicken wings properly. And since the sauce looks glazed, it looks like they used honey as the sweetener for the buffalo wings. As the buffalo wings comes closer to your nose, you can definitely smell the barbecue sauce. You can smell the sweetness. And I can't wait to check this out. So this does come with ranch sauce. We'll taste this first without the sauce, and then we'll taste it with the sauce. Now, buffalo wings are normally eaten using your hands, so I'm not going to use a fork. Let's check it out. Buffalo wing heaven. The buffalo wings were properly fried before coating them in the sauce. The sauce does taste like barbecue sauce with a little sweet and a little kick of spice. The wings are chewable, they're not tough. You can definitely taste the sauce covered in the chicken with a little bit of kick, and I'm guessing this is Tabasco sauce that they used for the kick. Now let's taste the buffalo wings with the dressing. If you love ranch dressing, then this ranch dressing is perfect with the buffalo wings. It has a little Filipino twist. The ranch dressing is a little bit sweet. If you add the sour sweetness of the barbecue sauce plus the little bit of kick from the spice, for me, it's a perfect combination. So to sum things up, for 200 pesos, the pasta alla Lidia was an Italian pasta with a little Filipino twist because of the sweetness. The pasta did not have sauce, but the tomatoes, the olive oil, and the cheese did give the pasta flavor. The added meat in the pasta was tuna, and if you're into the Italian pasta with a Filipino twist, then that order is for you. As for the buffalo wings, the chicken was seasoned properly before it was covered by the barbecue sauce. And as you can see, they did not go cheap on the sauce because the sauce was fully covered around the chicken. Now the sauce was thick and it was glazy and a little spicy, and I'm guessing it was from Tabasco sauce. Now if you like your wings spicy and generously covered with the barbecue sauce, then that order is for you. If you want to upgrade it into a Filipino twist, use the ranch dressing. Okay, so if there's anything else I missed out on, or if there's any place that you'd want me to visit, please feel free to comment below. I'll make sure to check them out, and make sure to subscribe so that you will always be updated, and I will see you in the next video. To watch more videos in Facebook, like, share, and follow, and in YouTube, like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you will be updated each time we have new videos. Also, don't forget to comment below. See you in the next video.